Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Snap INC. So what you can see here is a weekly chart. So the data is available since 2017 onwards, so that what we could see, we cannot talk about a long-term trend. So uh, but what we can do here is we will probably can talk about the intermediate trend right now, and here we can probably see an inverted head and shoulder kind of pattern. So generally we have head and shoulder, but here it is the opposite of head and shoulder, which is inverted head and shoulder sort of pattern which has been formed, and that is actually positive. Okay, now let's understand this trend. So the data is available, or the previous high which we can see for this particular script is this level, which is 29.54. Okay, now you also have a support line here, a resistance line, then you have your support like here. So you have multiple zones. Let me just go through the importance level which you need to look at, so that we have a fair amount of idea about how the stock has moved. Okay, so this is the kind of trend what we can see right here right now for this particular script, where your first or immediate support level will come at around 23.71. below that you have your support level at 20.61, then you have 19.75, after that you have 18.35. so these are your immediate or multiple support levels which you need to look at. Okay, and below which you have 11 and probably 10.47 on the downside. On the upside, what you could see here is your first target or resistance will come at around 27.12, and then you have 29.9. so 29.9 was indeed and currently is your big resistance level, and if the stock will go beyond and sustain above 29.9 or 30 odd dollars, then it will probably indicate a start of a big trend. Okay, so these are the important support and level firstly which you need to look at, and you should not violate any rules if you are trading inside the range. So your support and resistance level are pretty clear, and you need to go using the support and resistance level and act accordingly. Plan before and act accordingly. Do not like just jump from one place to another. Okay, so this is the first thing which you need to do. Now to find out the big trend, what we can probably do here is simply like this. Okay, so we can't call it as a trend because we require at least 3 touch point, but hypothetically these are two big support levels where the stock has kept its supports and moved higher. So if you look at this, you can find something like this. Okay, so you can find something like this which will tell you that stock is probably trading at the higher end of the range, or probably it has taken support, or it went to its resistance and fall back, it again went to its resistance and falls back. That's we can see, and the current range is something like this. Okay, so right now what we can do here is simply this. So you have your support and resistance level. So the first condition is either it will move above 29.9 or stay within the range. Now if it does makes a breakout, so the next target, if it stay inside this trend line, so the next target will come in between 31 to $37. Okay, that's what you can see, except one condition which we are not going to talk about because that will require confirmation. If the stock moves like this, okay, so if there is a vertical breakout and the stock shoots up like this, like a rocket, then there is a different thing or different strategy which we need to look at, but the confirmation is yet to come. So for that we will probably wait for some time and let the stock decide how will it move. But what we can see here is a trend line, so we will expect that the stock currently moves inside the trend line where you have your multiple support and resistance till now, and if there is a breakout above 30, then we have here targets after 30 as well, and we will see how the stock will move and we will check the trend again. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.